Hello guys, this is Azi from IR Language. Welcome to the first episode of Learning Advanced Alternative Words series. In this episode, we're going to teach you how to use advanced alternative words in order to replace with very plus basic vocabularies. So many students get stuck in the habit of using basic vocabulary because it's easy. Yeah, you can communicate your message with basic English vocabulary, right? And that's awesome. But there's gonna come a time when either you notice or other people around you start to notice that actually you're just using the same words and repeat again and again. To be interesting, to impress and influence people, you've got to keep expanding your vocabulary, and it's not just the vocabulary that you understand. It's the vocabulary that comes to you instantly as you're using it, as you're speaking, as you're writing, so we want to activate the broader vocabulary today. So avoid using dull words like very, so, such, and really. If you're interested in sounding like a native speaker, in making your speech very diversified, and in the way native speakers use a variety of different words, not just very all the time, you can replace the other commonly used words in your speech to sound more natural. So let's get started and try to memorize them to sound more native-like. The first one is very beautiful. Instead of using very beautiful, you can use charming, gorgeous, stunning. Charming. She's so charming in this coat. Charming is mostly used for children. Gorgeous. You look gorgeous in this dress. Why haven't you worn it before? Gorgeous is mostly used for women when we want to compliment a woman on her outfit. Stunning. You look stunning in this dress. Number 2, very tired. Instead of using very tired, you can use this word. Exhausted. Oh my God, I had to work so much last week. I was exhausted by the end of the week. You can also intensify it by completely. I was completely exhausted by the end of the last week. The next word is very sad. Instead of using very sad, you can use these words: heartbroken, devastated, disappointed, dejected, ashamed, melancholy, crestfallen. Here is the hint. Be aware of using these adjectives. You need to learn them in context because they have a slight difference that you should know where they appropriate to use. Because those nuanced meanings are ever so slightly different and makes one more appropriate to use in one situation while another perhaps not. Heartbroken. He was heartbroken after his divorce. You can use this word when love is involved in sadness. Devastated. He was devastated after his company went bankrupt. You can use this word when there is sadness plus shock or surprise. Disappointed. Sarah looked disappointed. She had been so confident she would win the competition, but then she came fifth. Dejected. She looked a bit dejected when they told her she didn't get the job. Ashamed. You've got nothing to be ashamed of. Melancholy. Melancholy autumn days. A melancholy piece of music. Crestfallen. He looked crestfallen at their decision. The next one is very happy. You can use these words instead of very happy. Thrilled. On cloud nine. Delighted. Elated. Ecstatic. Overjoyed. Jubilant. Thrilled. Oh my God, I'm thrilled to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. On cloud nine. I was on cloud nine when Dima proposed to me. Delighted. You'll be delighted about something I'm going to tell you right now. Elated. She just found out she's pregnant. She's elated, which can be used as stronger adjectives. Ecstatic. The new president was greeted by an ecstatic crowd. Overjoyed. I'm overjoyed that you're coming to visit me. Jubilant. The fans were jubilant at their team's victory. The next one is very surprised. Instead of using very surprised, you can use these words: amazed, astonished, amazed. I was amazed by the course. Astonished. Over 50% of students who've taken the course said they were astonished with it. The next one is very small. Instead of using very small, you can use these words: tiny, minimal, minuscule, tiny. She refused to eat even a tiny piece of cake because she was on a diet. We also have teensy tiny to emphasize. My apartment is teensy, insy, wincy, tiny. Minimal. The chances of losing all our money are minimal. Minuscule. The chances of winning the lottery are minuscule, almost non-existent. Now to practice, find some advanced synonyms for very big, very bad. In the next episode, you can find the answers, so don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.